Imagine this. You open up Claude and you just type, tell me what is really happening on the Bitcoin chart right now. Read every indicator and every drawing and give me the real edge. And the best part is, Claude, it doesn't wait. It does it instantly. And it pulls all the data from your live TradingView chart and is going to basically straight away backtest your idea. Right, and I am also using it myself to make some trades off it. So without any further ado, if you want to be setting up this exactly what I showed also in my previous videos, I would first of all recommend you to check out how I set up my personal trading assistant also with Claude. This video was uploaded 2 days ago here. You can check it out for yourself as well. But anyways, let me dive straight away in towards this very important tutorial, because literally within a period of like 5 to 10 minutes, you can set this completely up for yourself here. So today I'm going to exactly show you this. Basically, to give you a quick overview, what it will be able to do here, Claude is going to be able to fully control your trading view. It is going to be able to switch symbols. It's going to be able to open, close, and add indicators. It is going to be able to read real-time data and create custom indicators on autopilot. And actually much more, because the possibilities are actually quite infinite. So I'm going to be using this custom guide I made for my community, which is basically going to give you a step-by-step overview how you can exactly set it up. It's literally made easy for everyone. If you want to be getting access towards this exact sheet here, don't hesitate to join the VIP Telegram group here, which you will be finding in the first or second link in today's video description. You can basically join our group here to, first of all, have an edge in the market, but second of all, also be able to copy trade my trades here. And there's so many more additional things that you can actually get access to if you join this VIP Telegram group here, and also this TradingView integration. So without any further ado, let's jump straight away in towards it on this first page on the tutorial page. It basically gives us an overview about what it is going to be able to do here. But of course, I already told you, so let's get it running. So what do you need to do here? First of all, you need to download the TradingView Desktop app here. You can very easily download it. Go to tradingview.com/desktop and you can download it. I already did so. You need to have Cloud Code installed, and that is why I want you to check out this first tutorial video if you haven't already. It is very simple to set up here. Literally anyone can do it, and it will definitely give you an edge in the market. So make sure to check that video if you don't know how to do that. It is very simple. You have to open up your terminal. You have to ask it to install Cloud Code, and it's going to be doing it almost directly. There are a few things that you need to have installed first here, and one of them is Git. It's very simple to install this. Basically, what you can see over here on the page is Git dash version. You basically type this in your terminal. Straight away going to ask your approval to basically do this. Then you of course approve it, and it's going to be cooking. It is exactly the same since I already installed it, since I'm already using this TradingView integration myself, since it is very valuable. It's very simple to set it up just like that here. The same for Node here. Maybe it's going to not allow you to straight away install it. If it isn't, just ask him, Claude, how can I install it? It's very simple. It will redirect you to node.js.org. And basically you have to copy this to your clipboard and basically paste it also into your terminal. And then it is exactly going to be installing that as well. And basically these things are required. And also that TradingView account, but preferably a pro or premium account will give you more accessibility to having more indicators, etc. So, well, if you've installed everything, we can go to the installation of the Cloud AI on TradingView here. It's very simple. That is why we made this amazing guide here. You just need to copy paste this into your Cloud Code. So I'm going to be opening up Cloud Code again here. I'm going to be pasting this, boom. And now it's going to be thinking again here. It will ask you for your permission. I will give permission to install this. And also there is a different way to do this, and that is to do it manually. This will require you to do 6 steps here, or you can just copy this exact prompt into your Cloud Code and it will directly install it, which will make it much easier for you. Okay, so now it is successfully installed after about 2 minutes. So that was already basically the installation, and now we're going to quickly set up the connection. Basically how to connect your Claude to the TradingView. Basically tell Claude about the MCP server and watch the magic happen. So we're going to be opening up the terminal once again here, and I'm going to tell this exact prompt I just saw here in the tutorial. So we're going to be filling in this prompt. Then for step 3, I'm going to quickly verify the connection by basically copy pasting exactly what is told in the guide. And it is giving me a fully connected node here. So yeah, that is very good news here. So now we've done this here, the connection is completely successful. And the next step is basically the demo. So what can you actually do with this connection? Since, yeah, it is all nice that we set it up, but what can we actually do with it? So for example, this is a prompt that we made. One of the things it can do here. So once again, I'm going to be opening up my Cloud Code. and I'm going to give this prompt. In the current prompt I just showed you, I told him basically scan the 15-minute chart of Bitcoin and build me a high probability mean reversion strategy using the RSI and EMA and backtest it for the last 30 days and then optimize the parameters live. Well, we just let it cook for about 10 minutes and it basically completely backtested the entire strategy. It made a strategy as well, how you can scalp trade Bitcoin. And literally, this is just one of the things I just made here, but you can literally imagine anything, let it backtest for like the last 30 days, the last, 20 weeks, whatever you want here. But actually, there's so many more things than it can actually do here. For example, what you can also do, you can just let it monitor your entire watch list. So ask it, hey, can you check my watch list, my crypto watch list, and look for any 4-hour bullish divergence setups? Or for example, you could let it do multi-time frame analysis. So that is the tutorial. It's very simple to set up. And in the last few years, there have been two types of traders, one who use AI and the other one who doesn't. And in the same market, it will definitely shape a different outcome. So now what I now can do is basically tell Cloud everything I think about and make automated strategies, etc. So this is definitely something I would definitely recommend everyone to set up here. Of course, make sure to join the VP Telegram group to get full access to this exact guide here to set it up yourself. And also, please let me know what you are building, because I will also continue to share what I'm building, but I would also love to hear what you are building and what ideas do you have for this bot? What indicators are you making with this? Are you backtesting it? Are you making any profit with it? Let's share it with each other. Of course, we're already doing that in the VP Telegram group, so we'll be highly appreciated if you're going to join it. Also, if you are looking for a safe and reliable exchange to trade on, I do work together with WeX. It's a non-KYC exchange where you can also integrate CloudBot towards. So if you want to combine it, I could make a video about that as well, but it would be extremely powerful here. So yeah, if you haven't already, check out the guide, how I made my own personal trading assistant. Now we can also analyze the entire market. So there's much more to come, guys. So thank you so much for watching towards the amazing update video. I'm going to edit this video real quickly, publish it straight away so you guys can learn from it. So thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.